Got something in the mail today.
Start with that.
American base. You know, I'm not going to see the invoice. Okay, yeah, you know, got a nice little box opener over here. Thank you, UPS, for handling my box with so much care.
Yeah. Assholes.
Alright.
Oh, and?
Yeah. AmericanBase.USA.com.
Thank you, Matt, for making a mess.
Let's see what we got here. You know, American Base.
Catalog?
Yeah, a little catalog. Okay.
Bigger catalog and bigger catalog.
Catalogs, you know, all their product ranges, and more tweeters. And
They make marine speakers?
That's a good question.
Should I marine speaker the ruckus with American Base?
But, let's see, anything at the bottom of that? No, not at the bottom.
You said there's how many people that have these total?
It's not many. I mean, if you want to zoom in, it's a 3,000 watt box. But if you
Come
look
on
at
now,
the
stop
sticker,
moving.
it's 3200.4, 800 watts per 4-channel max. Let's see what this looks like here. And once again, I know the CEO pointed this out before, but yeah, they don't even have this is the new catalog. On the owner's manual, it doesn't even have the SQ3200. So, they had to print me off a little separate sheet for all the specifications of it. So, that's that. Let's take a quick little look at the amp.
It's not little.
No, it's not little at all. By any means. And actually, you know, nice 3200.4. If I can do this like the CEO did. There we go. Nice inputs in there. Gold-plated inputs. And on the flip side, 4-channel. And give them a shot of the 800x4. Okay. SQ3200.4, designed in the USA. American Base. And well, that's that.